Welcome to TDS Online Math. Let's solve for x from here. We have 1 on the x root of 25 minus 1 on x root of 5 equals 6. Now, let's understand that 1 on nth root of p is the same as 1 on p raised to 1 on n, and the same as 1 on p or raised to 1 on n. So we can write 1 on x root of 25 as 1 on 25 exponent 1 on x minus 1 on 5 raised to 1 on x equals 6. Okay, so from here you can say 1 on 25 all raised to 1 on x minus 1 on 5 all raised to 1 on x equals 6. So okay, so from here we can write this one as 5 squared. So 5 squared is same as 25 minus 1 on 5. So let's bring the 6 in. Minus 6 equal to 0. Now when we have 1 on a squared, it is the same as 1 on a all squared. So we can bring the part out. So we have 1 on 5. Okay. 1 on x. So let's take it out. Squared minus 1 on 5. Which that minus 6 equal to 0. Now let's be very careful here. So we have created this one here. So we have this one in common. Now let's represent this one by a variable. So let 1 on 5 raised to 1 on x be p. So this one has been represented by p. So in going back, this side will be p squared minus, so minus p minus 6 equal to 0. Minus p minus 6 equal to 0. So this one becomes a quadratic equation. So from here, 1 times minus 6 is minus 6. This side is negative 1. Let's find the factors. Minus 3 and 2. So we have p squared minus 3p plus 2p minus 6 equal to 0. So from here, p out, p minus 3. Then we have 2 out, p minus 3 equals 0. So we have p minus 3, p plus 2, p minus 3, and then p plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so with the 0 product, we can say p minus 3 equals 0 or p plus 2 equal to 0. So we have p equals 3 or minus 2. But that's not the end. we are after x, not p. So let's go back and do substitution. Remember this. So let's put that 1 on 5 raised to 1 on x equals to p. Now let's solve for x here. After that, we do substitution. Now remember that to bring a power down, we have to apply logarithm. Okay, so I'll take log on both sides of this. So half log. So that equals to log p. So this one is a power rule. Now when given log a to the power n, the same as n log a. So that will be 1 on x times log 1 on 5 equals to log p. Okay, so from here we can multiply both sides by log x. Okay, so this side will cancel. So I believe it log 5 equals to x log p. Remember, we have the x, so we can divide both sides by log p log p. So we have x equals to log 1 on 5 on log p. Now when you have log x on log m, the same as log x to base m. So we can say log 1 on 5 to base p. But what is p? Now, before that, remember you can't take log of a negative number. Okay, negative. So it doesn't exist. So the two answers, we omit the -2 and pick the 3. So the final answer here will be, x equals to log 5 to base p, that is 3. So this is the final answer. All right, subscribe for more videos. All right.